In this module, we will talk about cultural hybridization. It is going to mix of cultures as a result of globalization. It is going to have that mixture of different kinds of values that we perceive at international level. Production of a new culture as a result of integrating global and local culture. Amalgamation of global processes with numerous local realities, not reducible to global or local level. Emergence of new cultural realities. It leads to the heterogeneity of local cultures. When there are different kinds of individuals are living in the global village, they try to learn each other's values, their customs, their rituals, and enjoy that exchange of cultures. We see that there is a birth of cultural hybridization. Globalization, as I mentioned and explained this phenomenon in our previous slides, that globalization is all about talking about the things that pertains to thinking global and acting local. This is what globalization is all about. So it may be defined as the incorporation of the global and the local, resulting in distinctive endings in different geographical areas all around the world. Hybridization. It emphasizes the increasing multiplicity connected with the distinctive combinations of the global and the local, leading towards uniformity. For example, Kentucky Fried Chicken, McDonald's, Pizza Hut, they are modifying its menu and according to the taste of different local cultures. You would find the the same food chains like Kentucky Fried Chicken, popularly known as KFC, McDonald's, and Pizza Hut. The taste of their menu would be different in different countries according to their native cultures. For example, we in Pakistani like spicy things more as compared to the other cultures. Like Japan, they are not, in the habit of enjoying more spicy food. So the same food chain, Kentucky Fried Chicken, McDonald's, or Pizza Hut, are going to make pizza for the Japanese people according to their local taste. Creolization. It is characterized by the mixture of languages and cultures that were formerly unintelligible to one another. For example, Haitian Creole is based on French language. We see that how this mixture of culture or cultural hybridization is going on in different parts of the world, but that hybridization is not going to ignore the local values. It is not possible for any culture. So, what are the impacts of cultural hybridization? Emergence and strengthening of local cultures, recognition of local culture at global level, unique combinations, traditional meanings are lost, cultural disrespect, and diminishing local identities. On one hand, it is happening, but on the other hand, we see that in the same way, this cultural hybridization is going to create such society which is through manufacturing the taste of the people, that is known as Californization as per argument of Kenichi Ome, that how different multinational corporations are manufacturing the taste of the people that I earlier mentioned, like Pizza Hut, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and then McDonald's, Coke, another, I mean, multinational corporation, Coca Cola. So that is going to manufacture the taste of the people just for having that taste of cultural hybridization.